Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku. This is level 39 and let's start. We need to find 10 cats again. We have 2 already. Alright. Orange one is here. Alright, my bad. The pink one is there. Okay. Alright, nice. We have to find 5 more to finish. Okay, we need to think now. Let's try and guess the green one. Yes, alright, it is there. Okay, now we need to find 4 more to finish. We have a brown one ready. Okay. Now let's try and find the blue one. Maybe it's there. No, so it's definitely here. Alright. Okay, we have only 1 fish left and 2 cats to find. So nothing is there. Okay, yellow one is definitely there. And the last one, the green one, is here. Alright guys, thank you for watching.